We were starting to do a lot more in the way of plate processing, specifically half-inch material. And finally, the optics and cutting heads have gotten to where they can handle higher power. This machine has basically allowed us to go have a dedicated product, so it's actually dominating the whole market now because of what Eagle has afforded us to get to. I'm Sloan McCarvich, and welcome to Tie Down here in Atlanta, Georgia. First started off in Miami, Florida back in 1967, and the first product was actually ground anchors for securing mobile homes. Now we are 7 divisions comprising our legacy business with marine industry, agriculture components, also contract manufacturing, safety, rooftop construction. Right now, we just crossed the 100 mark on IP and patents. We started small, but we grew to where we are today, which is right now we're over 7,000 different products and going from a 1-car garage to now 11 facilities here in Atlanta, Georgia, and right at 830,000 square feet of manufacturing. We had a specific need and requirement where we needed the power. It wasn't just having the power to have power. Yes, it's nice to have, but it's better that you actually tailor your need with what the actual capability needs to be to facilitate your operation. In terms of the materials that we process here, it is all over the place, but predominantly I'd say 85% is in the steel space, and then the other 15 is in aluminum, from 16 gauge or 1.5 millimeter all the way up to your 1-inch plate. We're pretty much almost around the clock, so all the lasers, for the most part, we're actually running 3 shifts, day, night, week, and then weekend day. So uptime, the service, being able to diagnose problems quickly, assistance from the factory has been really good with Eagle. I don't really operate the machines anymore, but I can go up there and it's pretty easy just to go through various menus, and like when people are on tour, and usually a lot of times the operator's not even there because he's taking care of other things while the machine's just rocking and rolling through parts. We have to unload parts a lot faster now. that was probably the big one in terms of what we had to do, changing the process of just having this much more coming off of a machine. Just having a tool like this just really elevates your position in that space. It feels like working with a family, and it shows through in their product. I mean, this machine is so far separated with how other people are doing things, like just in the laser space. It had my vote of confidence going forward. Highly recommend.